How to fix won't send text messages in Poco X8 Pro. First of all, restart device. Press and hold volume up and power button same time. Now here you will see two options, power off or reboot. And if you want to restart device, then this icon swipe down. After swipe down, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear messages cache. Open setting. Scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Search messages app. Now click on messages app. Scroll down, click on clear default. After click on clear default, messages will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, check network. Open setting. Scroll down, click on mobile network. Now in mobile network and check network. After check network, now go back. After that, software update. Open setting. Click on search bar, search update software. Now click on system updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will update from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network setting. Open setting. Scroll down, click on more connectivity option. Scroll down, click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth and click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, this will reset all network setting included Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix won't send text messages in Poco X8 Pro. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.